What's going on? It's Adarius here. So guys, I know my hair look a little crazy.
Look at the top of his head.
I actually did lose it out because my hair kind of need washing and I get a bad habit of scratching. But I'm frightened for go to any random salon because I'm frightened for how people put hand in my hair. Who best to go to than the actual professionally trained chemist at Nature's Wrap here, the CEO. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you for being here.
For the last video, you explained a lot of stuff. You gave us a lot of insights and it was actually very educating, and I actually did do some fact checking. I learned a lot. Bottom line is, you're pretty much the only person that I trust, like, based on everything, I trust you and the information that you have. Well, you see the condition of my hair. I need to wash it. You can help me out with that?
Of course
All
I
right.
can.